Hi guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts, and today I'm really excited to share with you the October mystery box for Expressions Vinyl. I was thrilled when Expressions Vinyl reached out to me and asked me to curate a mystery box for October. To create this mystery box, I was able to design a few new types of patterned vinyl, to choose from Expressions Vinyl's huge selection of vinyl, and to choose some blanks for you. In this mystery box, you will get all of those vinyl items and the blanks, plus check your email for free SVGs that go along with the mystery box as well. These are brand new SVGs that I've designed just for this mystery box, and they've never been seen anywhere before. So enough talking, and let's get into the box. This is what the box will look like when it comes to you in the mail, and you can see a little bit of a preview of the patterns in the box by looking at the label. When you open the box, the first thing that you will see are the blanks that we're going to be able to use to make a couple of projects with the vinyl that's all contained right in the box. The cool thing about these Expressions Vinyl mystery boxes is they contain just about everything you need to get started crafting right away. The first blank that I chose, I'm very excited about, and that is this clear skinny tumbler, and it does come with a straw too that's just in the other package in the box. Fall is the perfect time of year to have a nice coffee beverage, and I'm sort of an iced coffee fan. So this skinny tumbler is perfect for your PSLs or whatever kind of drinks you'd like to enjoy during the fall season and throughout the whole year. I have designed a tumbler wrap specifically for this skinny tumbler, and that will be one of the SVGs that comes in this mystery box as well. So inside the package, you'll get the reusable straw that comes with the tumbler. You will get a set of acrylic keychains with the keychain findings. Clear acrylic blanks like this are really great for crafting. They're just kind of the perfect canvas for all kinds of vinyl projects. So you'll get 4 of those in your mystery box. They're great for keychains, for pull tabs on backpacks. There's a lot of great uses for these blanks. And then the last blank that comes in the October mystery box is this 18 by 18 natural pillow cover. The texture and the slightly off-white color of the pillow is perfect for fall decorating. And I have a really cute SVG that I'm going to be using on this pillow cover. And then for me, the most exciting part of the mystery box is the 2 packages of vinyl. You'll get 1 package of heat transfer vinyl and 1 package of adhesive vinyl. Let's start with the adhesive bundle packet. Each one of the packets will come with this October Project Box cheat sheet. And here it will list every kind of vinyl that comes in the package. It will list the blanks, and then it also gives you the suggested cut settings for each different kind of vinyl. So if you have a Cricut, it tells you what setting. If it has a Silhouette, it gives a suggested setting for that as well. That just takes some of the guesswork out of using the vinyl in the box. Like I said, I was able to design some patterns for the vinyl that comes in this October mystery box. This first one I designed is called Autumn Plaid. I am a huge sucker for plaid, especially in the fall, so I knew I wanted to create a kind of hand-drawn plaid for this vinyl packet. So first is this Autumn Plaid, and second is this fun oak camo. If you look closely, you can see the shapes are individual oak leaves, but when put all together, it gives the look of kind of a camouflage or a little bit more structured camouflage. And you can see that the greens coordinate really well with these 2 patterns. The next pattern that I created for the box is for all of my coffee lovers out there, and that is the PSL Lover pattern. Here I've got stacked mugs and alternating to-go cups with little pumpkins on them. So if you love yourself a pumpkin spice latte in the fall, you're going to really like using this adhesive vinyl. And then it wouldn't be an October vinyl box without some pumpkins. But instead of traditional bright orange pumpkins, I went a little bit more of a muted route, and I have both navy and sort of olive green pumpkins on a sort of a sage teal background. So these are 4 of the patterns that I designed for this October box, and I hope you like them as much as I do. To coordinate with these patterns, I chose some established solid color vinyls. I chose 4 colors of the Easy PSV Starling vinyl. in this turtle green, dark beige, coffee, and gloss gold. Since we have a tumbler blank in the box this month, I wanted to make sure that I had some vinyl that was permanent and that could end up being dishwasher safe. Because for me, if it doesn't go in the dishwasher, it doesn't get used because I don't do hand washing. So we are going to be using some of these colors for that vinyl blank that I showed you in the box. I included one glitter adhesive vinyl. This is the cinnamon glitter, and I'm not sure if my camera is really doing justice to the really pretty copper and gold glitter in this adhesive vinyl. And then to make your life a little bit easier, there are also 2 sheets of transfer tape so that if you cut any of these vinyls and want to apply them, you can do that easily with the gridded transfer tape. So those were the adhesive vinyls. Now we'll move on to the heat transfer vinyl. Again, you'll have all of the information you need for each of the vinyl pieces that are in the box, as well as information about pressing temperature and time, and whether it's a warm peel or a cold peel. That's important when you are removing the backing sheet from an iron-on vinyl project. Again, I was able to design some patterns for this mystery box, and the first one I knew I had to do was a navy buffalo check. Expressions Vinyl already has some buffalo check patterns on their website, but they didn't have any in navy blue, and I thought that that was something that would be perfect for an October mystery box. So this is a really nice true navy buffalo check iron-on vinyl. And coordinating with that is probably my favorite pattern that I created for the box, and that is this fall nature pattern. It is a navy background, again, that coordinates very well with the buffalo check. And it has mushrooms and oak leaves and maple leaves all scattered throughout. This is a great background pattern or a standalone focal pattern for your iron-on projects. To go along with those patterns, I chose some of the Easy Weed Electric HTV. This one is in the color olive, and it has a really pretty metallic finish in that gorgeous sort of army green, olive green. And then I couldn't leave you without some real sparkle. So here is the gold confetti iron-on vinyl, which is a nice warm gold color. And then I'm very excited about this. This is Twinkle HTV in navy. And you can kind of see that there is the difference between the really thick, chunky glitter of the glitter HTV and the more subdued single color twinkle of the navy Twinkle HTV. I hope you're as excited about the October mystery box as I am. I have a lot of fun projects coming up for you soon using the vinyl and the blanks that come in the box. And make sure that you keep an eye on your email for the free SVGs that come with the box as well. Let's get to fall crafting together.